The Toyota Camry is one of the most iconic and best-selling sedans in automotive history, known for its reliability, comfort, and enduring performance. First introduced in 1982, the Camry has evolved over the decades, offering a balance of practicality and refinement that has made it a favorite among families, commuters, and drivers seeking long-term dependability. With each new generation, the Camry has embraced modern technology, advanced safety features, and bold design updates, while maintaining the strong reputation it's built over the years. Whether you're looking for fuel efficiency, comfort, or a sporty drive, the Toyota Camry continues to set the standard in the midsize sedan segment. Introducing the 2025 Toyota GR Camry, a performance sedan like no other. Blending sport-inspired design with Toyota's racing pedigree, the GR Camry redefines what it means to drive a Camry. The 2025 GR Camry turns heads with its bold and athletic design. At the front, the aggressive grille, sharp and aggressive LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines create a look that's both fierce and refined. From the side, the GR Camry's performance roots are clear. Its sleek body lines, lowered suspension, and 19-inch black alloy wheels give it an athletic stance that's ready to conquer any road. At the rear, a sporty Toyota Supra-inspired diffuser, dual exhaust outlets, and sleek LED taillights further enhance its race-inspired design. The GR badging proudly signals this Camry's performance capabilities. Step inside and you'll find that the 2025 GR Camry's interior is built for those who live to drive. The driver-focused cockpit features premium materials like leather and suede, paired with racing-inspired details. Sport seats with side bolsters provide both comfort and support, ensuring that you stay firmly planted during every spirited drive. The GR logo is proudly stitched into the headrests, a subtle nod to its performance heritage. The GR Camry is as tech-savvy as it is powerful. A 12.3-inch infotainment display keeps you connected with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a suite of performance monitoring tools that let you track your driving stats in real time. Even with its focus on performance, the GR Camry doesn't compromise on space or comfort. The rear seats offer ample legroom, premium materials, and thoughtful details for both driver and passengers to enjoy. Under the hood of the 2025 GR Camry lies a turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine pushing out an exhilarating 355 horsepower. This performance sedan combines Toyota's legendary reliability with the power and precision you'd expect from a sports car. The GR Camry rockets from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, making it one of the fastest sedans in its class. Its 8-speed automatic transmission and paddle shifters ensure seamless shifts, whether you're cruising through city streets or tearing down the highway. Thanks to its performance-tuned suspension and adaptive dampers, the GR Camry delivers sharp, confident handling around every corner. Toyota's engineers have crafted a driving experience that's as refined as it is thrilling. With its bold design, high-performance engine, and driver-focused interior, the 2025 GR Camry is more than just a sedan, it's a thrill machine.